Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SAKER heat press machine for T-shirts. There are features include 440 pounds adjustable pressure for clearer transfers. With 130, 220, 300, 440 pounds pressure levels. This heat press machine for T-shirts delivers strong, even contact for HTV, vinyl, sublimation, and heat transfer projects, helping crafters create sharper patterns, smoother edges, and more consistent results on shirts, hoodies and fabric blanks. Wider 110 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control. The SAKER heat press offers a broad 110 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range and 1 to 999 seconds time control, giving makers more flexibility for iron-on transfers, sublimation shirts, heat transfer vinyl, DTF-style projects, tote bags, and custom apparel, so each material can be fine-tuned with confidence. Smart touchscreen with resettable counter. The responsive touchscreen display clearly shows temperature, time, pressure, and quantity, while the resettable counter helps track every press during DIY crafts, custom orders, and small business production, making your workflow easier to manage from test runs to batch projects. 15x15 auto heat press for more projects. A large 15x15 heat press plate and 1.77 inches pressing height give this shirt press machine room for T-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, tote bags, pillow covers and larger heat transfer machine projects, helping home crafters and studio users expand from simple designs to more creative custom work. Automatic pressing made simple. This automatic heat press machine features auto press, auto release, 3 preset modes, A/B custom settings and 15-minute auto shut-off, helping beginners start faster while experienced makers save favorite settings for repeat projects, craft room use and smoother batch production. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.